So I'm meteorologist Chicago Windler, and I had in the mailbox the other day a special note from Scarlett Behrens, who's an elementary schooler at Bee Cave Elementary. Here's her question. She says, "Dear Chicago Windler, my class has been learning about weather this past week. I've had a great time. There is one thing I need to know. How does weather change so quickly? 1 hour it's rainy, tell me about it, and the next it's really wet. Sincerely, Scarlett Behrens." All right, so Scarlett, let me show you where the weather wall is here at KITV, and I'll do my best to explain what we have going on. So here in Texas, in the Lone Star State, a lot of times we see our weather change super quickly because we've got a lot of instability, a lot of moisture, and a lot of lift, and what that will do is help storms bubble up during the heat of the afternoon and evening. For instance, this is what our computer model is showing, is lots of potential rain. We have a flash flood watch in place too. But what's interesting is you may go through most of the day and it's totally dry, and then once temperatures reach a certain point, once you start to see those clouds building up, then boom, just like an explosion, heavy rain and thunderstorms may then move through. As soon as the storms roll through and die out, then you're right back to where we start. So we go from being stable to being unstable as those storms fire up. Also, our weather systems are steered by the jet stream, which is basically like a river of air, if you will, that guides where storm fronts and cold fronts go. Typically, this time of year, storm systems are mainly to our north, and we sit in a bubble of dry air, but not so this year. Because of El Nino, we've actually seen more frequent storms down south into Texas. Hope that's not too complicated, and thank you so much for your question.